Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to print the ASCII value of any character, of a single character. So let's start the tutorial. The command is Python print ASCII value.py, enter. Notice here asking the prompt, enter a single character. Here I am adding small j. When I click enter, notice here the ASCII value of small j is 106. Now if I add capital J, the ASCII value of capital J is 74.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open the folder Python-tutorials is added to the VS Explorer. Now, the next step, I am adding one new Python file, print ASCII value.py is the file name. And here we got the newly created file is open. Now, first thing, enter character. Let's define one. Enter char is equals to input enter the single character, then ASCII value is equals to, I'm adding order. The order function return the Unicode point of one character of the string. So the character we are getting from enter char. That's it. Now print the Unicode or ASCII value. ASCII value of the character is value of here I am adding double quotes, here also double quotes, enter character, enter char, and here comma ASCII underscore value. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's check the final output of our application. Go to file, save, then go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the final output of our application to get the ASCII value of the given character. The command is Python print ASCII value.py, enter. Notice here asking the prompt, enter a single character. Here I am adding small j. When I click enter, notice here the ASCII value of small j is 106. Now if I add capital J, the ASCII value of capital J is 74. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to get a ASCII value of a single character in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We will catch you in my next video tutorial.